Welcome to 83 Howlett Crescent, a wonderful 4+1 bedroom semi-detached home with 4 washrooms situated on a corner lot within a family-minded neighborhood of the Salem Heights community in Northeast Ajax. Featuring a brick exterior, a single-car garage, and a walkway from the driveway to the covered front entrance, this home also has a nicely sized backyard and just over 1,800 square feet of interior living space, plus a fully finished lower level. Directly off the ceramic tiled foyer is the principal entertaining space, which is carpeted for coziness and has north and west facing windows for beautiful natural lighting. Also brightened by a lovely light fixture, this room is well suited as a combined living and dining area with its open and spacious layout. Across the hallway is the family room, which is also carpeted for coziness, has a ceiling fan light, as well as north and east facing exposures for natural lighting, and an openness to the brightly lit kitchen and its breakfast area, both which have ceramic flooring as well as a fresh, airy atmosphere. The kitchen has a very functional design as well, with stainless steel appliances that include a French door fridge with bottom mount freezer and flex zone drawer, oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as a built-in microwave and dishwasher. The kitchen also has ample counter space, a stone and glass mosaic tiled backsplash, crisp white cabinetry that provides lots of storage, and a stainless steel double sink. While the sliding door walkout from the breakfast area opens to a fully fenced backyard that features a patio area, garden beds, and gated access from the front yard. To the upper level is a carpeted staircase with hardwood railing, and this level is carpeted throughout, has 4 naturally bright bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The main 4-piece washroom features a wall-to-wall vanity, a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a linen closet, and is shared by the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms, all which are quite spacious, have large windows with west and or north-facing exposures, as well as good-sized closets. A great neighborhood for families, this home is a short walk to Guinness Park, Alum Pond, and Da Vinci Public and St. Josephine Bakhita Catholic Elementary Schools, and is also within the catchment areas of Michael Jean Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, Pickering High, and Notre Dame Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs. Just off the staircase landing is the graciously sized master suite, which has an east-facing exposure and a spacious walk-in closet in the bedroom, while its ensuite washroom features tiled finishes throughout, a jetted tub, and a separate shower area with glass door. The foyer area has a double coat closet, and there are 2 sunken landings finished with ceramic flooring, one which has access to the garage, as well as having a powder room with a pedestal sink, the other landing having a door opening to stairs leading down to the lower level. Finished in 2016, this level showcases pot lighting, a family recreation room with a double French door entry, wide plank flooring, and access to a separate room ideal for a den or an office, great storage space, a bonus room with a French door entry and a closet that is ideal as a bedroom, fitness room, or hobby room, has a combined laundry and furnace room with washer and dryer, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a glass shower and a furniture-style vanity. This home is close to the Wyndham Manor and Somerset shopping plazas, public transit, and the Audley Recreation Centre, while the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away.